Ngibingelele kuwe mlaleli, ngiyathemba ukuthi phela-ke mina ngizocela kuwe-ke laphana-ke ukuthi-ke ungabisamusha-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke wenze ukulungele-ke laphana-ke ungixhase-ke ucindezele-ke ibhathini subscribe nje, akubizi imali, kumahhala nje ukhishwe nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke kwenza ukuthi phela ukuthi-ke uthole nezinye-ke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha-ke nje ngizobe ngiy'faka-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke kusukela-ke manje-ke. Kuze ngingakuphuthi lezi ndaba-ke ongakwenza njengamanje ukuthi ungabe ucindezela-ke ibhathini u-subscribe njengamanje-ke. Udaba kulethele lona-ke namhlanje-ke laphana-ke lithi-ke i-DA isihoxile ezingxoxweni zokubambisana ne-ANC komasipala abakhulu. Leli qembu lithi lizobambisana nanoma yiliphi iqembu eTshwane inqobo nje uma lizogcina isihlalo sobumeya. Ibe sikhipha-ke i-statement-ke i-DA, le statement mangifundela sona-ke sithi-ke the DA will now withdraw from these talks. The ANC must accept responsibility for the ongoing chronic instability of these metros and continuing service delivery failures as South Africa approaches the 2026 local government elections. The return of serious breaks as the executive mayor of Tshwane is a non-negotiable condition for these talks to resume. The ANC should take carefully note of the widespread anger and backlash in the capital city against parties responsible for removing Mayor Brink. The major blunder of yesterday's events can be reserved by re-electing Brink to the position. It is very unfortunate that the substantial progress we have made has been undone by the obduracy of your Gauteng leadership under Premier Panyaza Lesufi. Until the ANC national leadership reasserts its authority in Gauteng, the metros in our most populous province will continue to degrade with profoundly negative economic consequences. Yon Zizwele Helen Zille. Laphana-ke incwadi-ke ibibhalwe-ke uHelen Zille-ke laphana-ke mina kucela laphana ukuthi-ke ungene mu-comment section-ke ufike ushiye uvo lakho ukuthi wena-ke ucabangani-ke ngalo-ke lolu daba-ke lolu-ke bese uyangichasa-ke laphana-ke ucindezele-ke ibhathini subscribe nje, akubizi imali, kumahhala nje ukhishwe nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke kwenza ukwazi phela ukuthi-ke uthole nezinye-ke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha-ke nje engizobe ngiy'faka-ke kulona-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke kusukela-ke manje.